Filipino learners! Kumusta kayo? My name is JC, and in today's Tagalog Shorts, I will be teaching you how to use kasi, dahil, and kaya. Kasi, dahil, and kaya are all used when there is a cause and a result expressed in the sentence, but not all three of them are used the same way. Kasi and dahil are both translated as because in English. Kasi sounds more casual and informal though, but you can use either one of them if you want to say because. Halimbawa, pumasa si Gerald dahil nag-aral siya ng mabuti. Or you can say, pumasa si Gerald kasi nag-aral siya ng mabuti. Gerald passed because he studied hard. Another example, malungkot si Joanne dahil natalo siya sa kompetisyon. Or, malungkot si Joanne kasi natalo siya sa kompetisyon. Joan is sad because she lost the competition. Now let's proceed to kaya. In English, there's no specific word that directly translates to kaya. But I would say that it means that is why or that is the reason why. Basically, it's like kasi or dahil but in reverse. Okay, let me show you what I mean. The first one, you can say, nag-aral si Gerald ng mabuti kaya pumasa siya. Gerald studied hard and that is why he passed. You see what I mean? Here, the cause comes first and then followed by the result. Unlike here, where the result was stated and then followed by the cause. Okay, let's do the second example. Natalo si Joanne sa kompetisyon, kaya malungkot siya. Joan lost the competition and that is why she is sad. So again, the reason or the cause is stated first and then the result. Okay, I'll give you a couple more examples. Sinabi ko to sa'yo kasi pinagkakatiwalaan kita. I told you this because I trust you. But when you're going to use kaya, again, you begin with the reason or the cause. Pinagkakatiwalaan kita, kaya sinabi ko to sa'yo. I trust you and that is why I told you this. Okay, next. Hindi makatulog si Carlo dahil maingay sa labas. Carlo can't sleep because it is noisy outside. And if you're gonna use kaya, maingay sa labas, kaya hindi makatulog si Carlo. It is noisy outside, and that is why Carlo can't sleep. Well, I hope this video has been helpful. Let me know if you have any questions through the comments. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. Salamat sa panonood. Sa susunod ulit. Paalam!